Hey, Dixie. What you doing? Sorry. Hey, Dixie, what you doing, kiddo? Good girl. Good girl. I think she has found a biscuit underneath and she's trying to get it. And Buster has no idea what she's doing, but she's happy with the camera. This is what she's doing under the cabinets. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Anything for a treat. That's our Dixie. Oh my gosh, hilarious. Dixie. Dixie. What are you doing, sweet? You see one under there? Oh, she's gonna assume the position. Nope. Alright. Yep, there she goes.